Okay, children, now we are going to see about the term 1, third standard maths time. You know the time. So, this is like a conversation in the classroom, a conversation between a classroom and the teacher, children and a teacher. Good morning, teacher. Teacher says, good morning, children. Ramya, when do you come to school? She is asking. Ramya is telling, by 8 o'clock, teacher. How do you know the time? My mother tells me the time by looking at the clock, teacher. She is telling. Do you know how to find the time by looking at the clock? No, teacher. Then children, today we shall learn to find the time by looking at the clock. So you know the clock is marked with the phases 1 to 12. Everybody has seen in your home. So the longer hand in the clock is having the two hands, the long hand and the short hand. Okay, so just I draw the clock. You know how to draw a clock? 4, 5, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 10 and 11. So this is the clock and this is the longer hand is the minute hand. This is the long hand and this longer hand is the minute hand and the shorter hand is the hour hand. Okay, hours and minutes. So hours vandana 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12 o'clock and then solve 12 hours, 12 o'clock, 12 noon like that. Now the time is 12 o'clock. This is okay. So the longer hand is the minute hand and the shorter hand is the hour hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now the time is 12 o'clock like that. When the minute hand is 12, the hour hand tells the hours of the day. So now how to draw the 5 o'clock? Suppose I am drawing the 5 o'clock. Draw 5 o'clock means what to do? You have to put long hand வந்து 12 இருக்கணும், short hand வந்து 5 இருக்கணும். So minute hand and the hours hand. So hours என்ன வரும்? So 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. This is the hours hand. So 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. 12 இருந்தா 60 minutes. 1 இருந்தா 5 minutes. 2 இருந்தா 10 minutes. This is the 5 minutes. 10 minutes. So this is 15, 20, 25, 30. 5 count பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 40, 45, 50, 55 and this is 60. So 16 சொல்லக்கூடாது. இங்கே வரும்போது 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock like that you have to see. In this exercise, they just ask you to write the time and draw the hours hand and the minutes hand and tick the correct time in the clock. So this is it. So only the hours hand and the minutes hand. Okay, long hand is the minute hand and the short hand is the hours hand. So now shall we move on to the exercise? They are given the clocks. You have to write the time of the clock. So this is the first term unit time also you are having. This is term 2. So in this term 2, this is term 2 only time. So I'll draw the clock. You say the time. Here some of the clock times they are given. They are given the 6 clock like this. 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you have to write the time. 12, 6, 3, 9. So I'll do the sums, some of the things. You can do the remaining by yourself, children. Okay, so the first one they are given the small hand is 3 and big hand is 12. So the time is 3 o'clock. And the next sum is small hand is 8 and big hand is 12. The time is 8 o'clock. Okay, so like this they are given the time. So சின்ன முள் வந்து 8ல இருக்கு, பெரிய முள் வந்து 12ல இருக்கு. So that is the 8 o'clock and this is 12 o'clock. So this is unit 2. Term 2. Term 2 and unit 4 standard is third standard. Okay, now 9 o'clock they are given like this. 12 6 3 9 1 2 11. So now what is the small hand is 9 and big hand is 12, so the time is 9 o'clock. So like this you have to write the remaining sums. They are given us and the next sum is 4 they are given. 4 the small hand, this one the big hand. So you can write 4 o'clock. Okay, and the next one is 2. Next sum is 2. What's the time? 2 o'clock. So like this they will give the hours and the minute and you have to draw the you have to write the time. And the next one is page number 29. First I have done the page number 28. Now page number 29. Okay, now draw the hands of the clock. They are given the time, you have to draw the hands. Here they are given 11 o'clock. What's the time? 11 o'clock. So you have to draw the hours hand and the minutes hand. So draw like this, put the numbers first. Okay, now 11 o'clock. So 11 o'clock is small hand is the 11 and big hand is the 12. So you have to draw the hands of the clock. Draw the hands of the clock. So you have to draw. Okay, now will you do the remaining children? Next is 1 o'clock. Next on the 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock அவங்க டைம் கீழே கொடுத்துருவாங்க. You have to draw 1 o'clock like that. Small hand where to be and big hand is where to be. So 1 o'clock means what? Small hand 1 க்கு நேரா இருக்கணும் and big hand வந்து 12 க்கு நேரா. This is the 1 o'clock. Okay, so like this some of the numbers they are given. So you have to draw the hands of the clock. So will you draw? So draw the hands of the clock by yourself. So I'll give the numbers. Draw the hands of the clock. Okay, now you have to draw for 5 o'clock. This is the homework for you children. 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock and 6 o'clock. Okay, this is the homework for you. You have to draw the clock and draw the hands also. Now the next one is you have to write the time. Tick the clock which shows the correct time. Tick the clock which shows correct time. So they will give the clock and they will give the options for you also. Twelve, 6, 3, 9. So put the clock. They will give the options. Okay. So 5 o'clock அப்படின்னு இவங்க கொடுத்துருவாங்க. 5 o'clock. So 3 options. 1 hour later. 1 hour later. 3 clocks they will be given. So 3 wrong time கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. You have to choose which one is the correct time for this and you have to write. 4, 5. So I am just writing the only one sum the example. You can do by the remaining. So this is it. So 3 option is 5 o'clock. First small hand is 5 o'clock, then 6 o'clock, then 2 o'clock. So for this sum, 1 hour later, they are given the sum like this. So here the time is 5 o'clock. 1 hour later, which one is the correct answer? 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Which one is the answer? 5 is here. Okay. 5 o'clock is here. So 1 hour later. So 1 hour later, what will be the time? 6 o'clock. So you tick the 6 o'clock. Like that, so many sums they are given. So I'll give the sum. Will you draw and mark the correct answer by yourself, children? Otherwise, you can draw the answer. I'll just draw this. 3. 8 o'clock. So 2 hours later. So 2 hours later, what is the time? You draw and write the time. Then another one. Next one I'll draw. So you can draw by yourself. I don't give any options. You can draw by yourself. Eight o'clock. 10 கொடுத்துருக்காங்களா? இங்கே என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? 3 hours later. 3 hours later. So நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுங்க? Draw the clock and write 3 hours என்ன டைம் வரும்னு எழுதுங்க. Next one. 1. This is 12 o'clock. So both the hands are in the same place. So how many hours later? 2 hours later. 2 hours later. What will be the time? Okay, yeah. So 8 hours. 8 o'clock, not 2 hours later, not 10 o'clock. Up 10 o'clock draw பண்ணுங்க. இதே மாதிரி 10 o'clock, 3 hours later naka 10, 11, 12. So you can draw the 12 o'clock. 10, 11, 12. I mean 1 o'clock. Then 12 o'clock, 2 hours later, not 2 o'clock. So you write the time and draw the hands of the clock. So this they are given the options, but in some of the sums they won't give the options. So you can just straight away you can write this. Okay. So for time also you are having the this exam, children. So 3 chapters in this. So what are the chapters? That is the numbers. Then patterns are taken. So only the numbers and time. So only 2 exercises, numbers or time on the. So first one fully what all we are having in this. So numbers and time. So lattice multiplication and this multiplication and tables. So all this. Okay. So everything we have finished. So go through this and get ready for the exam. Thank you.